It's time to forgive yourself for believing them. Stop kicking yourself for thinking you should have realized sooner. Stop telling yourself you're an idiot for not seeing right through it. Stop listening to the people who tell you it's your fault. You're too naive or too trusting or too forgiving. Being trusting and forgiving are good qualities to have. Sometimes they're just that good of a liar. And that says absolutely nothing about you and everything about them. So it's time to stop taking responsibility for somebody else's terrible behavior.